Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very real and very common. We will talk about feeling tired.
Yes, I'm tired is something we say almost every day, right?
Exactly. And today, you will learn simple English to talk about your feelings.
This lesson is great for beginners. We will go slow and we will repeat.
So you can listen, understand, and speak with confidence.
And before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English practice.
All right, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Let's start with a simple sentence. I am tired.
Repeat after me. I am tired.
Good job. Again, I am tired.
Great. You can also say, I feel tired.
Yes, I feel tired is very natural.
Example, I feel tired today.
Listen again. I feel tired today.
Now you try.
Nice. You're doing great. Another useful phrase is, I am very tired.
This means you are really tired.
Example, I am very tired after work.
Let's say it together. I am very tired after work.
Good. Now here is a question. Why are you tired?
Listen, why are you tired?
You can answer, I didn't sleep well.
Very useful. Again, I didn't sleep well.
Example, I am tired because I didn't sleep well.
Great sentence. Try it one more time. Now let's practice a short conversation.
Listen first.
Hey Anna, how are you today?
I'm tired.
Oh no, why are you tired?
I didn't sleep well last night.
I see. Maybe you need some rest.
Yes, I think so.
Now let's break it down.
I'm tired. Simple and clear.
Why are you tired? Asking the reason.
I didn't sleep well. Very common.
Now let's practice together.
Repeat. I'm tired.
Why are you tired?
I didn't sleep well.
Nice work.
Now let's change the sentence a little.
You can say, I went to bed late.
Example, I am tired because I went to bed late.
Again, I went to bed late.
Great, you're improving already. Let's talk about daily life.
When do you feel tired?
Maybe in the morning?
Yes. Example, I feel tired in the morning.
Or after work. I am tired after work.
Or after studying. I am tired after studying.
Here's a simple one. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Nice, short and real.
Sometimes we are tired because we don't eat well.
Or we don't rest enough.
You can say, I need rest.
Repeat, I need rest.
Or, I need a break.
That's a great phrase.
Example, I am tired. I need a break.
Say it again.
Perfect. Let's do a quick practice. Listen, speak, listen again.
Sentence 1. I feel tired today.
Your turn.
Sentence 2. I didn't sleep well.
Your turn.
Sentence 3. I need a break.
Your turn. Amazing! You are doing so well. Even small practice helps a lot. Keep going. You are learning step by step. Let's review today's key phrases.
I am tired.
I feel tired today.
I didn't sleep well.
I need a break.
Great job if you repeated with us.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Do you drink coffee, eat breakfast, or go back to sleep?
We'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for listening and see you next time.
Take care and get some good rest.
Bye.